Welcome to my channel, where every turn of the wheel could decide your fate. From insane maneuvers to instant karma crashes, you're about to witness it all. Rise to fame through road rage? Trust me, nobody wants that.
Something different. Ability. Feast of Blood.
The silver car driver
Spell
thought this was
drain.
his private
Club.
one-way street.
Base cost.
A special promotion. Full tank with a free campfire. A surprisingly all-inclusive service. An unscheduled car flip performance. Too bad this isn't a movie set. The truck played a game of height check with the bridge. The bridge won, decisively. A completely failed takeoff attempt. Gravity remains a stubborn law.
Allah Akbar! Yes, he did! Allah Akbar tu! Allah
When you try to
Akbar!
squeeze through a gap and find out it's not a gap, it's a car.
Tu, kereta Civic tu yang...
The Mercedes decided to hug a tree to show its love for nature. The tree didn't seem to like it. Behold, a group dance called Every Driver for Themselves. The lane markings are just for decoration. That turn went straight into disaster. He forgot a giant was also using the road. Never play hide and seek with a semi-truck. You will always be found first.
Oh my god.
One person brakes hard, and everyone else joins in for a game of dominoes. When you want to take a shortcut, but forget to check where it actually goes. An impromptu figure skating performance on asphalt. The technical score was not very high. An epic drift that was literally on fire. The crowd seemed a bit terrified. The utility pole has won a battle against a Rolls-Royce. A glorious victory. A surprise geography lesson. Sometimes the road just disappears. Better luck next time. Same bridge, same chaotic souls who love disorder. The black car brought a surprise no one asked for. Everyone was shocked and appalled. This pickup decided to try farming and started plowing the grass field. He's going against the flow of time and also the flow of traffic. A surprising meeting in the dark. Luckily, they just gave each other a gentle hello.
Wow.
When you follow Google Maps and it leads you down a road that doesn't exist. A battle between a driver and the sun. This time, the sun won. The tiny white car challenged the red truck. A very brave decision. This wasn't an accident. It was a total demolition derby. Simply unbelievable.
Постоянно и зная количество воздуха, точно рассчитывает количество.
When you're in a traffic jam and the truck behind you decides to give you a little push. Slippery roads and high speeds are a terrible combination. This truck proved it. The truck suddenly decided to lie down for a rest. It chose a very inconvenient spot for everyone else.
You said, what are you running the game now? What do y'all call the mini tots? She said, no, we're the princess. Scissors shoot, and if you beat me, you get in. I said, well, I don't want to play. She said, you can't.
The two
You're a boy,
SUVs
and
were
boys
debating
suck.
who had the right of way.
You know what?
In the
You know
end,
what?
nobody.
I'm gonna play a game too. It's called 1, 2, 3. Where's my ass? 'Cause I'm about